look at this. This is a report from TransUnion. As you can see, I'm covering up the name because I don't want to expose the person's private information, but as you can see, that is TransUnion right there. Let's go ahead and flip the camera. All right, so we got the report here. This around. All right, as you can see, the report number is here. This is a real report. We're not making this up. And now there's a TransUnion score. All right, today is the 23rd, and this report came on the 13th, just a week ago, barely a week ago. And as you can see, look at this. These are the results from the investigation. As you can see, look at these deletions here. Capital One Bank, this is a collection charge-off here. It was deleted. Student loans, these are student loans that were late, not paid. We removed these off the credit report. Those of you that had student loans that defaulted to them, or in some forgiveness program that have late payments, you can get these removed off your credit report. They don't have to affect you. Synchrony Care Credit was a charge-off, and JCPenney's was a charge-off that was removed. All right, so as you can see, this is phenomenal results for our client. We are able to remove these items and increase their score.